Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. Today in this video, let's learn about how to request for refund on OnlyFans. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for OnlyFans, and we get into this interface. Now make sure you are logged into it. Now to get the refund of the tips which will be sending from this step over here, we need to click on this profile icon and click on help and support. Now over here we need to click on take me to support and click on create ticket. Now here we need to make a request and we need to select the question first. Now you can add the details of your problem here. Once you write your problem, you can attach files as well. Once you're done, simply click on create ticket and your request will be completed. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.